Best case for your DJI Mini 2. I did a lot of research and I bought this off eBay for 10 bucks and I absolutely love it. One of the things is this isn't all fuzzy. I don't know what kind of material it is, but it's not all fuzzy. I didn't want any kind of lint or fuzz coming off. You can just take your drone and it lays in there perfectly. Look at that. And it's got this part here that lays right there. Got dual zippers. I mean, the thing's great. The reason I bought this Mini to begin with was so I could take it in a backpack. If you watch my Garden of the Gods Eclipse videos or my Appalachian Trail videos, this is how this stacked in my backpack like that. And it worked great. Typically, I don't put my controller in here if I don't have to, because you got to take off, no, you got to take 2 sticks off there to get in the controller. But your RC controller will fit in there just perfectly. And it stacks in the backpack like this, in the corner of a backpack, and it works great. I had bought one that was sort of like that, and it was too big to fit in the backpack. So these came off eBay. I don't know, one was like 10, one was 12. eBay, free shipping. I don't know, maybe I could leave a link below for where I got them at. But I highly recommend them. I mean, it's a really nice hard case. Zippers have held up great. And like I said, the reason I wanted them was stack them like that inside a backpack. And it stacks great. Put my jacket, my puffy, all that stuff in there, my sleep system. And they didn't take up too much room being stacked like that. The drone actually lives in this one right here.